everything takes up space. And that remains one of the most liberating ways for me to think about the potential, the endless potential of my degree. Hi, my name is Sovannlee Jimmy Bunche, or Jimmy for short. I graduated from Monash University with a Bachelor of Spatial Design in 2023, and I'm currently a practicing designer based in Cambodia. When I look into the top university in Australia, Monash University was definitely one of the leading institutions in terms of world rankings. Coming from Cambodia, the curriculum here doesn't necessarily allows me to build a design portfolio or any art knowledge prior. Monash actually offer a pathway into the design degree without needing a design portfolio, which is very important to me. I'm currently employed as an architectural designer at Bloom Architecture in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. If we go a little bit more detail of the task that I perform, it's coming up with concept, designing spaces, technical drafting, as well as overseeing and administering construction. And I've been at my job so far for 1 year, and I've been mainly overseeing hospitality project. So I started out as a junior working in a small team, working on a small task, and just accommodating and assisting my associate in charge. But since then, I think my role has grown as I take on more responsibility. And now I've been leading project, preparing presentation, overseeing construction, and collaborating with builder and solving any issue that may arise during construction. And I think getting to witness the project from start, like from the earlier concept development stage to the final inspection and handover of the project, I really think that is one of the most rewarding experience, as you get to see your design take shapes and realize into reality. I think it's like making your mark on this world. So looking back, during my time at Monash, I had one of the greatest opportunity to learn from truly many great educator and designer. They themselves had different backgrounds and approaches to design, and in those differences, you get to see things from many perspectives. In my final years, I had the privilege to study and work with spatial design director, Kyonchu Chon, and it was one of her elective phenomenal fungi that I had the chance to not only learn how to use all of these modern machines like laser cutting, 3D printing, CNC milling, but we were working and experimenting with this advanced biomaterial called mycelium, which we used to develop sustainable furniture prototype. It was incredible. So believe me when I say that my educator play a huge role in my professional development. And I think Kyonchu's simple phrase of saying everything takes up space, and that remains one of the most liberating ways for me to think about the potential, the endless potential of my degree. And last, my final honorable mention will goes to the subject that I thought I would dread the most, which are the theory classes. I know many may wonder why all of these essays we just want to make and create, but my biggest takeaway is truly that I think it's truly important that we as designers learn to design with intent and conscience, because we live in a world full of context, and whether social, economical, political, so that it's crucial that your design actually responds and take into consideration of those key factors, because every design will have an implication. It's not about just making beautiful spaces. It's not just about the aesthetic renders or visualization. It's so much more. It's about making positive contribution or changing the way that humans dwell in the space nowadays. So you don't have to know everything, no one does, but you should always be curious. I think take every opportunity you get and you can to explore, seeks to learn more, and always ask questions. you have to learn to trust the design process and actually leans into it. And don't be afraid to make mistakes because those are opportunities. I think it's all part of the creative process and iterations. And very crucial thing actually is to have fun and enjoy, because if you don't, I think that actually will be the only mistake that you will actually regret.